So if you are interested in knowing how I install this gorgeous wig from Luvme Hair Company, keep on watching. Yes, you're right. Yeah, quality. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi, and for those of you who are new, welcome. Today's video is in collaboration with Luvme Hair Company. Thank you, Luvme Hair Company, for sponsoring today's video. Guys, we are dealing with a very cool wig. This is an edgy fringe wig. It has a blonde highlight. I'm here for it. Okay, I've never owned anything like this, and honey, I am here for it. I love it. Look at that. Look at that. You know when you turn to when you turn to the right, look at that. This is absolutely gorgeous. This is edgy. This is something totally different, and I'm here for it, guys. This wig is super soft, as you guys can see. Whenever I move, the wig moves. Whenever I shake it, it goes back to normal. Okay, like it goes back to how it was before. Okay, so I'm really happy, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the bounciness. Look at the shininess, guys. Can you see the shininess of the wig? It is absolutely gorgeous. I'm also in love with the length. This length is giving sophistication, a period. Okay, like I'm here for it, guys. Honestly, this wig is 10 plus 10 minus nothing, period. Okay, so without any further ado, guys, let's get straight into today's video. So I quickly want to do an unboxing so that you know exactly what to expect when you purchase hair from Luvme Hair Company. This is the box. It comes with a nice little bow over here, and the box is written Luvme Hair, and they were kind enough to send me a wig storage bag, 2 pieces of wig caps, a pair of earring. These are hoops, an edge brush. It also has an edge comb. They were also kind enough to send me this nice headband to lay your edges. So guys, this is how the wig is looking. It is super bouncy. It is really shiny. Look at the softness, guys. Look at that. This is straight out of the box, and this is how it is looking. My fingers just, you know, they run through this wig, period. And also I'm in love with the blunt cut situation that is going on here. This is super edgy, and also this is how soft the lace is. As you guys can see, it is nicely pre-plucked, and it has a blonde fringe situation that is going on here. Look at that. This is super edgy. I am really obsessed with that. And this is how the wig is looking inside. It has combs. It has an extra it also has an extra belt and 2 adjustable belt as well. And one thing that I love about this wig is that you can actually part it anyway, like anywhere. So I'm quickly going to put it on, and I will show you guys the parting space that this wig has. And this is how the wig is looking. Look at the bounce, guys. Look at the bounce. Can you just look at the bounce, the pre-plucking, the pre-bleach situation? I am so happy. So right now I'm gonna show you, in case you you want to change the C-part parting. You can actually part it this side. Look at that. You can actually part it in the middle if you want. So this has a very big parting space. This wig has a very big parting space, and yeah, in case you want a deeper parting, it is possible. Okay, do you see that? So this is a wig for you, girl. Just go get yourself this wig.
jolie, oh my jolie. Ah yeah, eh. Every time I come around you, baby girl, something doesn't feel the same. You said that I'm changing, but it's really you. I see how you play those games. Wifey type for a main man. A queen can make moves, a king can't. Snatch you up, now you taking. Gave you bricks, now you building a wall up, wall up. Lately you and I've been all love, all love. I don't know what's up with our love, our love. You forgetting all about us, oh. My jolie, oh my jolie. Where are you? When I need you the most, you still MIA. This is murder, heart is melting. Girl, you got me. Called your bluffing, made you something. Now you talking, telling me to cool it off, cool it off. How can I cool it off, cool it off? Telling me to cool it off, cool it off. How can I cool it off, cool it off? My jolie, oh my jolie. My jolie, oh my jolie. You don't turn on me now. You don't get no time for me now, babe. Got him on a rebound, but it's only you that I like, babe. Tout ce que j'ai fait c'était pour toi. Sur le haut parle mais t'écoutes pas. Tu me vois crever mais tu bouges pas. Pourquoi? Whoa, you're wall up, wall up. You can't even get the scores up for us. I don't know what's up with our love, our love. You're forgetting all about us, oh. My jolie, oh my jolie. Where you been? When I need you the most, you still MIA. This is murder, heart is melting. Girl, you got me. This is murder bluffing. Made you something, now you talking. I call you bluffing. Telling me to cool it off, cool it off. How can I cool it off, cool it off? Telling me to cool it off, cool it off. How can I cool it off, cool it off? My jolie, oh my jolie. My jolie, oh my jolie. Yeah, this is murder, heart is melting. Girl, you got me. Called your bluffing, made you something. Now you talking, telling me to cool it off, cool it off. How can I cool it off, cool it off? Telling me to cool it off, cool it off. How can I cool it off, cool it off? Cool it off. I don't know how to cool it off. My jolie, oh my jolie.
This might be right. Either you feel it or you don't. Might give it a try, yeah. Our bodies collide. Baby, you're everything I want. Let's give it some time, yeah. Somebody told me I should hit and run, but they don't know, they don't know, they don't know.
Guys, electricity is about to go off, and I just quickly wanted to show you how the lace looks without makeup. And oh, look at that, look at that, look at that. Before electricity goes, check that out. Absolutely love this. It's literally gonna go in about any second from now, so I just wanted to show you how natural this lace looks on me. And this is the hair. I'm so happy. I'm going to put on makeup right now, and then I will be back to show you the final look. This is absolutely stunning. This is really stunning. Look at that. What did I tell you? Load shedding. What did I tell you? Load shedding did the things. But yeah, guys, this is how it's looking. Okay, this is without the ring light on, and this is how it is looking. Okay, this is how gorgeous this wig is looking. So I'm actually going to put on makeup right now, okay, and then we're gonna wait for the electricity to come back, and then we're gonna continue so that I can show you how nice this hair is. Look at that, guys. This hair is nice and bouncy. I'm obsessed. Look at the bob situation. This is literally the perfect length. Do you see what it's doing? This is the perfect length. Okay, I'm so obsessed, you guys. So I will see you guys when electricity is back with the full face bit, period.
Nobody knows but us how we roll, how we roll. Nobody knows what we got but us, but us. Let them keep talking, let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. Let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. I feel so alive when I'm with you. I'm on flight mode. You move me inside, yeah. Then we get disturbed. So many people let me know I should bounce from your world, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Somebody told me I should hit and run, but they don't know, they don't know, they don't know. Nobody knows but us how we roll.
And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also, do follow me on Instagram at curlymemes. Please do not forget to check the description box for more information, and of course for direct links if you are interested in looking as gorgeous as I am looking. Okay, so I also have a discount code for you guys, that is Manaso23, and you're going to get yourself 23% off when you purchase any wig on the Luvme Hair Company website. Until next time, you guys. Mwah.